Welcome to AccuWeb.Cloud. Today, we're diving into the world of automated scaling in cloud hosting. What is automated scaling? Automated scaling dynamically adjusts your resources based on demand, ensuring your application performs optimally. How it works. It monitors metrics like CPU usage and traffic, automatically scaling resources up during high demand and down during low periods. Let's talk about benefits. This leads to cost efficiency, as you only pay for what you use, and high availability, ensuring your app stays responsive. Without auto-scaling, companies' servers overload during surges, causing slow performance and unhappy users. Low traffic wastes money on idle servers. With auto-scaling, company system scales up for performance during high traffic and down to save costs during low traffic, ensuring efficiency and satisfaction. When is auto-scaling used? From e-commerce websites handling traffic spikes to gaming servers managing player load and startups scaling rapidly, automated scaling is crucial. Visit our website at AccuWeb.Cloud. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.